Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Let's Fix This. Today we'll be diagnosing and repairing a Whirlpool dishwasher not draining. Now this specific dishwasher we were called out on because it wasn't draining and making a grinding noise. So as you can hear, it's just buzzing, buzzing, buzzing. When you turn the dishwasher on at first, it's going to try to drain the water out. So we're going to need to go ahead and get the water out first, remove the filter. I use a wet dry vac to suck out all the water. Go ahead and replace the filter. Then we're going to go down to the toe kick of the dishwasher, and there's two plastic tabs that I use my flathead screwdriver to release by turning counterclockwise. Once those tabs have been turned a quarter turn, you can pull the toe kick off. Now the drain pump is this little white and gray piece that I'm touching. There's a little clip at the top that if you push down it releases, then you can rotate the pump counterclockwise. Make sure that you have towel underneath, paper towels, anything to catch the water, because once you pull that pump off, you're going to have a bit of residual water that's going to drain out onto the floor. So once that pumps out, I went ahead and kicked the dishwasher on a drain cycle, and the pump was okay. But here's that tab that I was talking to you about that you couldn't see when the dishwasher was installed. So you push the tab down and rotate the pump counterclockwise. Pump kicked on, sounded fine, and look what we found inside the pump housing. A little piece of glass. It's pretty common to find toothpicks, glass, bread ties, all sorts of crazy stuff down inside a dishwasher. So once we saw the pump is okay, remove the glass. You're going to put the pump on and then rotate it clockwise until you hear it snap. Make sure you grab the pump, wiggle it, make sure that pump's not going to come off because you don't want that leaking water. And then all you got to do is turn the dishwasher on, fill it with water. Make sure once again that there's no leaks coming out of that drain pump. And then that's all you need to do. Put the toe kick back on, insert the two plastic brackets, and you're all set to go. Of course, if that drain pump's damaged or the impeller's broken, you'll need to replace the pump, but it's the same as what we just did. So thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for weekly videos on how to fix your own appliances.